Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a little DIY on how to make a beautiful vine wall like the one behind me, which is perfect for a dorm room, a bedroom, an apartment. It's awesome for filming behind, taking photos, adding just some cute nature to your living space. So let's get right into the video. First step to this DIY is finding a wall in your home, in your room, in your dorm that you think would look perfect for the vine wall that you want to put up, and a wall that you wouldn't mind putting holes into because we are using thumbtacks for this method. Then after that, I went to my local craft store and I found some vine looking fake flower things, kind of that you would use like extra leaves in like a bouquet, and I got 6 of them to cover this wall. I think I might go back and get more to cover up this open space that's right here. And then I found the flowers that I wanted to intertwine in the rest of the vines, and on these flowers they have super bendy wire on them, and that's the reason I got them, because it was so simple to intertwine them in the vine and get them to stay without having to thumbtack them in or anything. So then after you do that, my wall had stuff on it, so I took everything down and cleared it off. And then I before I did the thumbtacks, my mom helped me kind of like hold in place like where I kind of wanted all the vines to go, so I kind of had an idea of what I was doing. And then I got my other tools ready, so I had a little mallet hammer, wire cutters, and some leftover thumbtacks. This method will be so much easier if you get clear thumbtacks. I had colorful ones at home. I didn't want to waste money, and I didn't want to waste more by buying thumbtacks when I already had them. But if you don't have any, make sure you get clear ones, because then you don't really have to try and disguise the thumbtacks as much while you're hanging this stuff up. So then after I took everything down off of my wall, I cut off the extra stems on all the vine bouquets, and then I started cutting all of the flowers, leaving a good amount of wire for intertwining them. Then after I did that, I started hanging up all the vines, so I kind of placed the thumbtacks where they'd be covered up by other leaves on the vines and making sure that they will stay without falling. And I held the thumbtack like this, and then I took the hammer and went like that to the thumbtack just to make sure that it go in. It's honestly easier on your hands rather than trying to push it into the wall. So I covered my whole wall with the vines, which didn't take me too long. It honestly was easier than I thought. And while I'm placing these, I'm making sure that I'm covering up the little bit of the stem part kind of that you can see from them still with all the other leaves. And then after I finished covering my whole wall with that, I took the flowers and strategically placed them and wrapped them around the vinage so you could see them all. Now looking back on it, it probably would be easier if you intertwine the flowers in the vines before you hang it up on the wall and then go ahead and hang it up. It'll probably be less hassle for you, but if you guys want to try and do it that way, you can. Then after I put all the flowers in, I was done with this project, and it's super simple and super easy, and it doesn't cost a lot of money. All the stuff I got was half off, so I only spent $15 on all of this to cover my wall. I think I'm going to go back and get more, like I said, to cover up the opening. And I also do only have I have an attic room, so this is only half of a wall. I didn't cover like a whole square wall with it. So I know that was a quick video, but like I said, this is a super simple, easy thing to do. You don't have to be crafty, you don't have to be artsy to do something like this. It's super simple. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you learned something from it. If you guys recreate a vine wall at your house, in your dorm, in your apartment, wherever, please make sure to share it with me on Instagram, because I'm looking forward to seeing those. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Bye guys!